Namaste. Welcome to Migraine and Tension Headache Yoga Therapy. Migraine is a throbbing one-side headache felt on the front or on the sides of the head. It is a vascular headache caused by dilation of temporal arteries in the brain. Tension headache is prolonged dull pain and sensations of pressure on the back of head and neck. Let's begin with Prasarita Padottanasana, intense leg stretch posture. Inhale, raise your hands. Exhale, stretch forward and rest your head on any comfortable cushion props with your palms on either side. Do not press much weight on your head. Stay steady with focused even breathing. Causes of migraine and tension headache is heredity, hormonal imbalance, drop in blood sugar levels, mental stress, anxiety, lack of sleep, exposure to hot sun, exposure to bright light, improper breathing, muscle fatigue due to wrong postures, reading while traveling, skipping breakfast, fast-paced, stressed lifestyle, etc. To come out, inhale and slowly roll up to the upright position. Relax. Now, Adho Mukha Vajrasana, downward facing thunderbolt posture and variations. Sit in Vajrasana. Inhale, raise your hands. Exhale and stretch forward and rest your head on the cushions. Place your hands in a position that is comfortable for you. Close your eyes. Soften your forehead and relax. Focus on the center of your forehead and feel calm. Mentally chant a Ishta mantra. When you have a migraine, take a shower and wrap crepe bandage on your forehead, eyes and rest. Rest in a dark room. Avoid bright flashing light. Gently massage your head, neck and shoulders. Press pressure points below the skull, behind the ears for at least 1 minute. Keep ice pack or a wet cloth on your forehead and on the back of your neck. Drink lots of glasses of water, fresh tomato juice or fresh herbal drink with ginger. Eat healthy at frequent intervals. Avoid foods with excess salt and sugar. When you don't have a migraine, practice asanas, pranayamas and meditation every day as preventive care. Dedicated practice remove tensions and constrictions in blood vessels, calm tense nerves, enhance circulation, balance hormones, relieve negative stress, anxiety, depression, etc. and clear plaques in sinus glands. Increase secretion of serotonin, the happy chemicals in the brain. Relax. Now some migraine therapy exercises. Close your eyes and gently press on your temples with your palms and fingers. Feel the relaxing sensation. At least 2 to 3 minutes or as you are comfortable. Stay steady, focus on your breath. Gently release your hands and relax. Next, Place your fingers on the center of forehead and gently massage starting from center of forehead to chin for at least 2 minutes. Inhale, up, exhale, while down. Relax. Next, gently massage your temples with your fingertips for 2 minutes. Now, gently massage your eyebrows from the Bhrukuti place, that is, center of two eyebrows to different directions for at least 2 minutes as your comfort. Inhale, exhale, smooth inhalations and exhalations. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Next, hold and gently massage by pulling your earlobes at least 20 to 30 times or as your comfort. Relax with smooth inhalations and exhalations. Now, some special breathing exercises for migraine and tension headache therapy. Inhale deeply, hold few seconds and exhale very slowly through your mouth by expanding your cheeks. Exhalation must be long and slow, steady through your mouth by expanding your cheeks. Longer exhalations are soothing and calming. They remove excess heat and toxins from the body. Again, inhale, hold your breath at least 10 seconds. Exhale very slowly through your mouth by expanding your cheeks. Smooth, long and steady exhalation. Do not hold your breath when you have uncontrolled high BP. Again, inhale deeply, hold your breath as you are comfortable. Exhale very slowly through your mouth by expanding your cheeks as you are comfortable. Exhalation. Practice these breathing exercises at least 10 to 15 minutes or 10 to 15 repetitions. Relax with smooth breathing. Now, Bhramari Pranayama. Beast breath. Shanmukhi Mudra. Close your ears with thumb, your eyes with index and middle fingers. Place your ring and little fingers near your nostrils and below your lips. Drop your elbows downwards and focus inwards. Inhale deeply, exhale through your nose, creating a humming beast sound that vibrates as like this. This sound vibrates in the head, refreshes brain, calms tense nerves and the restless mind. Exhalations must be slow and longer than inhalations. In Sanmukha Mudra, we can easily control our thoughts and hear the inner sound of Om. Relax sometime and practice this pranayama. Practice this Brahmari or peace breath pranayama at least 10 to 15 minutes. And also practice before meditation. Some health tips for migraine therapy. Maintain a headache diary to identify the food triggers and avoid eating those foods. Eat small meals every 4 hours. Do not skip any meal. Drink at least 15 glasses of water during the day. Eat 1 or 2 fresh banana every morning. Massage your head, neck and shoulders twice a week. Sleep for 8 hours is very essential in the night. Relax. Take some smooth inhalations and exhalations. Now Mudra therapy. Jnana Mudra. Knowledge seal. Close your eyes. Sit straight and focus on your breath. Press the tips of your thumb and your index finger. Keep your middle finger and ring finger and little finger upright. Focus on the bhrukuti, that is center of your forehead, and feel calm. Mentally chant a mantra as Om or any your favorite mantra. Practice this Yoga Mudra at least 15 to 30 minutes every day. Relax your hands, palms and fingers. Now Apana Vayu Mudra, descending wind sail. This is a combination of Apana and Vayu Mudra. Place your index finger as in Vayu Mudra and your middle ring and thumb finger as in Apana Mudra. Close your eyes, focus on your breath, mentally chant a Ishta mantra. Yoga mudras are stimulate electromagnetic energies, activate dormant nerves, correct imbalances and heal many ailments. They awaken cosmic energies, purify mind, body and soul. This migraine and tension headache sequence is thoughtfully designed. Follow the sequence and practice it every day in a quiet place with determination and commitment. Positive attitude and a calm mind will help heal faster. Disturbed mind will reduce serotonin levels and trigger an attack. So keep your mind free from disturbing thoughts. Now relaxation, supine relaxation. This asana is called Shanti Asana, Savasana or corpse posture. Relaxation is most important after completion of yoga therapy sequence. Practice regularly, you will get good result from migraine and tension headache. Thank you.